Welcome to 1763 Fulton. This is a top floor, 5-bedroom, 2-bath, rent-control apartment located near Fulton and Masonic, right across from the Lucky, super convenient location near USF. It's got 5 rooms of various sizes. We're looking at the living room here. Showing you the living room from a few different angles. Recessed lighting throughout the entry hallway, living room, and the kitchen. The kitchen is here, adjacent to the living room. There's a rear door that leads to a shared yard. And this particular unit has views all the way from Twin Peaks over to Buena Vista Park. It's nice and sunny. You see the tips of USF. The kitchen has a white quartz countertop with backsplash, pro gas stove, stainless refrigerator, Samsung, square sink with a retractable faucet. There's a nice amount of chocolate cabinets, a hood over the stove, and a side-by-side bottom drawer, Samsung stainless refrigerator with beverage service. The first bedroom is here. There's a pretty nice view up towards Buena Vista Park. 2 windows, closet. There's nice hardwood floors throughout the apartment. And the second bedroom is here. Oops. And it looks north. That's the Lucky. It's a pretty good sized closet. 2 full remodeled hall baths. This one with a natural stone tile floor and natural stone floor to ceiling tile around the tub. A quartz countertop, chocolate vanity, and oversized mirrors. Super nice bathrooms. One more look at the kitchen and the living room. The second bath is more of a marbled tile look. Cute vanity, same big mirrors. And right next to that is your LG TruSteam washer and dryer. Super convenient to have the laundry in the apartment. Bedroom number 3. Nice and sunny. It looks towards USF. Pretty big. Back up the hall. It has a newer gas heating system, hot water. Little closet there. There's the front door. And there's an alcove that opens to the final 2 bedrooms, bedroom number 4. High ceilings throughout also. Also looks towards the USF. Nice and sunny this time of day. And bedroom number 5 has a bay window of sorts. Lots of space. And it looks down onto Fulton Street towards the city. It's the Lucky Shopping Center there into USF. If you're interested in leasing this great top floor apartment, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you and have a great day.